With the Nelson Mandela Bay municipality experiencing a surge in streetlights cable theft, the city's Electricity and Energy Directorate has been working tirelessly to implement measures to help curb vandalism on municipal infrastructure. Today, Mayoral Committee member for Electricity and Energy, Councillor Lance Grootboom, was in Stanford Road assessing the progress of the solar high mast lights.
We are here in Stanford Road between Clary Park and Van Vogel, where our contractors are busy digging trenches, where we're going to erect solar high mast 20-meter lights. Now this area between Clary Park and Van Vogel is known for vandalism. We've seen a number of our cables that has been stolen. We've even seen our poles being chopped down and criminal elements trying to get to the cables. We have fixed the lights in this area more than 4 times in 2 financial years to a tune of roughly 3 million. So it has become unaffordable, and vandalism has been a problem. So what we've done as a city, we came up with an initiative where we're now running a pilot project, and we've identified this area because of all the other areas. This stretch of road has been affected more than any other area in our city. Now, once this pilot is successful, we are planning to roll it out to the entire city.
Yeah, the issue of vandalism is a serious problem. Last year already we spent around about 15 million on vandalism, repairing street lights that have been vandalized over and over again. So we had to think out of the box. Think out of the box. We tried to get a street light with no cable, just solar street lights. Hopefully that will help us.
The project will be finalized before the end of May 2023.